In this video, we'll talk about how to purify your air. Are you worried about contaminants in your air? Do you suffer from allergic reactions or asthma? Do you have pets in your home, or do you live with a smoker? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, you should consider looking at ways to purify your air. Here, we take a closer look at some of the reasons why more people are choosing to invest in an air purifier as a top biohack for a healthier lifestyle. Why do I need to purify my air? We often believe that the air inside our homes is clean and healthy to breathe. However, it may come as a surprise to learn that it can be just as polluted and contaminated as the air outdoors. Odors, dust, pet dander, smoke, and mold are just some of the contaminants that you can find in the air inside your home. And there are some pollutants inside your home which are present in amounts 5 times higher than in the air outdoors. It's no wonder then that so many people experience allergic reactions and asthma. Finding a way to capture unwanted particles from the air, like pollen and dust, is vital. So, how do you know if the air in your home needs purifying? Here are just some of the reasons to consider. You have pets. If you have a dog or a cat, you could end up suffering from respiratory problems. They shed dander onto surfaces of your home, which cannot be removed by vacuuming alone. Purifying the air is the best way to be sure of getting rid of this problem effectively. You suffer from hay fever, asthma, or allergies. During the spring and summer, hay fever is a common problem due to the pollen particles which are in the air. These irritate the eyes and can cause asthma. Purifying the air will remove these irritants so you can remain comfortable all season long. You have a mold problem at home. If your home is humid or prone to damp, you may find that mold is a problem. Bathrooms and kitchens are problem zones, and without removing the spores from the air, you could develop breathing problems. Purifying the air eliminates this possibility. You have dust mites. Dust mites are in everyone's home and can cause allergic reactions on the skin as well as breathing problems. If you purify the air, you won't have to worry about this problem. You live with a smoker. Smoke from cigarettes can hang in the air for a long time, causing breathing problems in susceptible individuals, not to mention unpleasant odors. If you purify the air, this won't be an issue. You dislike cooking odors. Whether you live near to neighbors who cook strong-smelling foods, or whether you cook them yourself, but don't want the odors lingering around your home, an air purifier can banish the unpleasant smells. You have compromised immunity. Airborne virus particles can move between individuals when they cough or sneeze. If you purify the air inside your home, your whole family will enjoy better health and overall well-being. You have a baby. Young children are especially at risk of airborne viruses and bacteria. They may also be more at risk when they're exposed to harmful contaminants and pollutants in the indoor environment. Purifying the air will give your little ones the best chance of enjoying optimal health. You live close to a road, agricultural area, or an industrial facility. If you live in an area which is at high risk of pollution, you should purify the air inside your home to keep the risk of contamination to a minimum. As you can see, there are many reasons why you should consider purifying the air in your home to improve your overall health and well-being. How can I keep the air in my home pure? There are several things you can do to keep the air in your home clean and pure. One of the best is to invest in an air purifier. This is a device that consists of several filters, as well as a fan to suck in the air and circulate it, while capturing the particles and pollutants and pushing clean air back to the living space. When choosing an air purifier, you should make sure to choose one which has an HEPA filter, High Efficiency Particulate Air Filter. These capture particles of a range of sizes in a very fine multi-layered net made of fiberglass threads. This airtight filter ensures that even the tiniest ultra-fine particles are trapped so they cannot be released into the environment to cause problems. You should choose an air purifier that is large enough to effectively clean the air in the space which you live in, and which has a clean air delivery rate of over 350. This will ensure that the air remains as clean and pure as possible. There are also some other things you can do to improve the quality of the air inside your home. For a start, although it may sound counterintuitive, you can keep the windows open, creating a cross draft whenever possible by opening the window on opposite sides of your rooms. This will ensure that unwanted pollutants and contaminants won't become trapped inside your property, causing your health problems. You should also vacuum your floors frequently to get rid of dust mites, which can cause breathing and skin problems, and use exhaust fans in your laundry areas, bathrooms, and kitchen to prevent mold from building up and causing respiratory difficulties and serious illnesses. You should avoid lighting a wood fire inside your home and avoid smoking inside your property, as this will help to boost the quality of air inside your home too. Smoke can cause breathing problems, while secondhand smoke from tobacco can be very harmful to your health, even causing cancer in some cases. Of course, you should also remember to regularly change the filters in your vacuum cleaner, air purifier, and ventilation system to ensure that the air indoors stays healthy and clean. A clogged filter cannot readily capture contaminants and particles, so you need to make sure to stay on top of the changing schedule to ensure that maximum pollutants are removed from the air that you and your family breathe every day.